Every day, maintenance teams, production teams, and purchasing departments prepare for work they've already done dozens of times before.
You can do different configurations with the larger holes. If we figure out the items out, we'll come up with a suggestion for you.
That's kind of, I need to do my homework on.
The answers are usually already there. They're just stored in someone's memory, old purchase orders, emails, or experience. Most delays don't happen because the work is difficult. They happen because one important item wasn't on the order. One washer, one drill bit, one fitting, one compatible part. Instead of rebuilding the same order every time, create it once, save it. Use it whenever the job comes back. Now the next time the job comes around, everything is already organized. The parts, the knowledge, the process. At Crest Fasteners, we don't simply sell products. We help customers organize the work behind them. Finish the job, build once, use forever.